Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist. Today I'm going to take you around this 2008 Mini Cooper S. Before I do that, let me show you what we do here. So this is our showroom, full of minis. And this is our service workshop. We have 3 ramps, and this is where we do all the mechanical work. So this is our body shop. We have a full-size spray booth, and then down this side we've got 2 prep bays, and this is our spares library. So let's get back to the car in hand. The bonnet does have some stone chips here and there, but nothing major. The colour is astro black metallic, but actually it's more of a dark blue, but it is metallic. These wheels are the Flame 17-inch spoke. They're powder coated, reconditioned with matching, these are winter tyres, but they're matching all round. Coming down the side here, you can see there's no major blemishes down the side. All looks very good. Coming to this rear tyre, as I mentioned, it's a refurbished wheel with a matching tyre, good tread, new discs and pads on the back, dechromed round the tail light. We've got this back bumper which is part of the body kit, and as you can see, the sunroof at the top. John Cooper Works badge there, that's because it's the John Cooper Works body kit, not because it's a John Cooper Works Mini, it's a Cooper S. We've got refurbished alloy, great tread on the wheel, no major dinks or scrapes down this side. And then now back to the front, this wheel reconditioned, powder coated, great tyre. And back to the front. Look under the bonnet, it's all very clean under here. The previous owner replaced the turbo, and we have a receipt for that. We took the head off, had it mildly skimmed. It didn't actually need a skim, but it's just been a part of the reconditioning process. Took the valves out, new valve stem seals, and then pressure tested and gone back on. We changed the cam chain while we were there, and while the head was away being reconditioned, we dropped the pistons and replaced the piston rings. So we also replaced the big end bearings while we were there. So it's had a full rebuild on the core components of the engine. So coming in, we've got this Cooper S door trims. We've got the John Cooper Works body kit and the logo on there. We've got half leather interior, 3-spoke leather steering wheel, and let's get in and have a look. So today the car's done 81,481 miles. Because it's had a rebuild, we recommend that you change the oil after 1,000 miles and don't cane the car in that time. Let it bed in. If you bring it back to us, we'll change that oil for free. The cabin's very tidy. Down here we've got sport mode, the auto stop start. We can turn that off or on, and that's the traction control off. When we turn the sport mode on, we get an indication up here, and it wakes up the steering a little bit, and it enhances the throttle response, and it should give you a bit of crackle and pop. The car has air conditioning, passenger window, fog lights, locks and unlocks the doors, front fog light and the driver's window, and CD player. Here we just have the trip computer and the configuration settings, and I think that's, you can phone the main dealer for some reason, and then tune a CD and taking you to the service menu. The brake fluid's not due till June of 23. Oil service not due for 21,000 miles. I did say though, after 1,000 miles it needs doing just because of the rebuild. 37,000 miles for major inspection or June 25. Front brakes 36,000 miles, rear brakes 37,000 miles. So you don't really need to see a garage for a while now, maintenance wise. So there you are then. In summary, we have a 2008 Mini Cooper S with a complete engine rebuild. Body is excellent, refurbished wheels, dechromed, looks fantastic, drives well. Come along, see it, drive it, see if you like it. I think you will. Thanks for watching.